Liron is a professional source manufacturer of aluminum electrolytic capacitors and film capacitors, integrating R&D, production, sales, and service. Liron has been awarded the title of National High-Tech Enterprise, 3A Credit Enterprise, and a number of other certificates. Products can be customized according to customers' requirements. Liron established the most advanced intelligent production workshop, constant temperature and humidity for all areas. Warehouse adopts strict digital management methods, ensure the accuracy of material data, and quality safety. For IQC, we use quadratic element microscopy, spectral analyzer, and many advanced equipments to ensure that each batch of materials are in compliance with standards. Cutting room is with special customized multiple dust removal system. Practitioners with more than 10 years experience follow strict burrs control and blade control. The latest generation of fully automatic winding machine, automatic control of riveting rolling pressure, automatic control of foil guide alignment, automatic deflection correction. Inspector implements strict quality control for the whole process. Ensure each process meets standards. Fully automatic laser riveting machine significantly reduce 90% resistance. Automatic high-efficiency hydraulic immersion machine. Automatically control immersion process. Save 50% of immersion time. The latest generation of drilling, riveting, sealing, waste casing, 5-in-1 automatic assembling line, automatic visual inspector to 100% avoid reversed electrodes. The latest intelligent aging equipment, which can set special programs according to specifications. In real-time monitoring and recording each product data, unqualified products automatically stop aging. Automatic testing machines simulate customers' real working environment and are with advanced implosion testing systems, 100% sorting capacitors, depletion, leakage, and screening abnormal products. 100% appearance inspection, customized pearl cotton packaging, pass the fall down test. 365 days, 7*24 hours running laboratory, constant new products and online products testing, continuous analysis of internal and external samples. Before shipping, the OQC inspector will test the product and issue test reports based on the sampling plan. Business Center will follow up delivery data. Ensure the products are well delivered to the customer. Liron, dedicated, professional, enterprising.